Are you the person who look at the images and videos wondering how the certain effect was created? And after all, you'd like to have the all effect available just with one simple click. Is it possible? You could ask. Hey, my name is Marcin. I'm professional retoucher, post-production artist, Photoshop educator, and photographer. And in this course, I'm going to teach you how to create the LUTs for your videos and images in Photoshop. LUTs are sort of presets for Photoshop and video software that allows you to apply certain effect within seconds. In this short course, I'm going to walk you through creating process of LUTs, how to make simple LUT, more advanced LUT. All of this is available in this course. We'll discuss everything you need to know about color and lights to create really high quality LUTs. And then you can keep them for yourself, or maybe you will want to sell them to others. You will decide, but now my mission is to make you professional. And by the way, there are also LUTs included in this course, just as a small bonus. See you in the first lesson.